Okay, so this question here, when we read it, says, during a bounce on a trampoline, the height in h feet of a child above the ground is related to the time t in seconds by a quadratic function of the form h of t is equal to negative 4.9 t squared plus 7t plus 3. The maximum height of the child above the ground to the nearest tenth of a foot is what? Okay, well, to figure this out, we really need a graphing calculator at this point here. Now, I'm going to share something here, pull this up here. I've got a graphing calculator program that I'm using on my computer. This is not what you would use on your when you're doing this work here. You probably use your calculator. And this is not a particularly great program because it's not allowing me to find the point in particular. But just to show you how this works here. So I've got that function entered in, and now I'm going to get it to graph. And I'll pull this up so you can see. And so, whoops, what I've got here is, oh boy, what I've got here is the function, and I'm just going to trace so that we can kind of see where the maximum might occur. Remember, the h here, the height, is the y-coordinate. And so when I'm going around here, it sort of looks like the maximum value doesn't seem to get much beyond that 5.49 whatever. So if I round that to the nearest tenth, looks like we're getting 5.5. And so I would say here to the nearest tenth of a foot, that would be 5.5 feet. Again, that's not the best way to do this. What you would do is typically you would press y equals on your calculator. In y1, you would enter negative 4.9x squared plus 7x plus 3. And after you've got the graph there, you would press second trace. You would go down to maximum. And then the calculator is going to ask you to pick a point to the left and then to the right of that maximum. You press enter again to pass the guess, and boom, it will produce that value for you.